Hello guys, today I will be elucidating the other part of lighting system design. If you have not watched the first part, please do, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Types of lighting system design. As I explained earlier, that lighting system is divided into two. We have the indoor lighting system and the outdoor lighting system. The outdoor lighting system can be subdivided into street lighting and swimming pool lighting. We generally have 5 types of interior lighting, which is also known as the lighting schemes or lighting methods. 1. The direct lighting scheme. The direct lighting schemes is the most common forms of lighting schemes, where we have about 90 to 100% of the light from the luminaires shining on the working space or surface. All fixtures that can be mounted on the ceiling surface, all downward fixtures, fall in this category. These schemes majorly serves industrial and commercial purpose. 2. The indirect lighting scheme. In these lighting schemes, almost all light from the luminaire turns upward, turns back to the ceiling surface or near walls before being reflected and then diffused to the surrounding. All upright fixtures fall in this category, and it is the best to use in bedrooms or non-working areas. 3. The semi-direct lighting scheme. Here, 60 to 90% of the light shine towards the working surface. They are of fixtures enclosed in prismatic glasses. This scheme is best in high ceiling areas. And the fourth is the semi-indirect lighting schemes, where 60 to 90% of the light shine towards the ceiling surface. Basically, these schemes do produce a pleasing ambience. Thus, they are majorly used for interior decoration and best used in reading areas. And the last of the scheme is the general lighting schemes, which is formerly being called diffused lighting scheme, where light is distributed equally in all directions. The 3 other lighting schemes, though they are all subsets of the above mentioned, are the concealed lighting, which is also known as the architectural lighting, where the fixtures are being concealed. It can be of any of the earlier mentioned, but illumination is produced such that the covering or protecting body is assumed to be the luminaire. And the second is the highlighting or projecting lighting scheme, where a luminaire is directed to a specific surface. The third is the underwater lighting, using diffusion or general lighting scheme models. As shown, we have the luminous flux, the luminous intensity, illuminance, and the luminance. Luminous flux simply means the amount of light from the luminaire. It is measured in lumen, while the luminous intensity is the amount of light from the luminaire in a given direction. It is measured in candela. And the third is the illuminance, which is the amount of light falling on the surface. It is measured in lux. And the last is the luminance, which is the amount of light radiated by the surface in a given direction. Its unit is candela per meter square. Lighting analysis tools. Lighting system can be analyzed and designed in 2 ways. The hand calculation method, where we use the lumen interior lighting design methods, and the point-to-point method, where we used dedicated software such as Chalmite, Elite Light, Dialux, Trevos, etc. These 2 analysis tools will be practicalized when we start the practical design process. Thank you guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe.